Modena is a historic city located in the northern part of Italy, within the fertile Po Valley in the region of Emilia-Romagna. It lies roughly between the larger cities of Bologna and Parma, making it well connected by road and rail. The surrounding area is known for its agricultural richness, contributing to the city's reputation for exceptional food production. Modena itself combines a compact historic center with modern urban development, offering a balance of tradition and contemporary life. The history of Modena dates back to ancient times when it was known as Mutina, a Roman colony founded in 183 BCE. It played a significant role during the Roman era as a strategic military and trade center. After the fall of the Roman Empire, the city experienced periods of decline and rebuilding, eventually flourishing in the Middle Ages as a free commune. Later, it became the capital of the Duchy of Modena under the Este family, who greatly influenced its cultural and architectural development. Many of the city's landmarks today, including its cathedral and palaces, reflect this rich and layered past. One of the most interesting facts about Modena is its global reputation for culinary excellence. It is the birthplace of traditional balsamic vinegar, known as Aceto Balsamico Tradizionale di Modena, which is aged for years, or even decades, to develop its distinctive flavor. Modena is also known as the birthplace of the famous tenor Luciano Pavarotti, whose legacy continues to shape the city's musical identity. Piazza Roma has long served as one of the main public squares of Modena, developing alongside the rise of the Este court when the city became the capital of their duchy in the 16th century. The square was designed as an open space in front of the ducal residence to emphasize power and prestige, and it became a focal point for ceremonies, military gatherings, and civic life. Over time, it evolved into a central meeting place, reflecting the city's transformation from a ducal capital into a modern Italian city. Today, Piazza Roma is best known for its elegant appearance and its role as a social hub. The square offers a clear view of the impressive Palazzo Ducale di Modena, making it a favorite spot for visitors and locals alike. The contrast between historical architecture and everyday life gives the square a lively yet refined character. Palazzo Ducale di Modena was built in the 17th century as the official residence of the Este dukes after they moved their capital from Ferrara to Modena. Designed in a grand Baroque style, it symbolized the power and sophistication of the Este dynasty. Construction took several decades, and the palace became one of the most important princely residences in Italy, serving as the political and cultural center of the duchy. Today, the palace houses the prestigious Accademia Militare di Modena, one of the oldest military academies in the world. While much of the interior is not always open to the public, guided tours reveal richly decorated halls and historic rooms. Piazza Grande has been the heart of Modena since the Middle Ages, functioning as the city's main civic and religious center. It developed around the cathedral and was the site of markets, political assemblies, and public ceremonies. Over centuries, it became a symbol of communal life, where important decisions were made and daily activities unfolded. Modena Cathedral began construction in 1099 and stands as one of the finest examples of Romanesque architecture in Europe. It was designed by the architect Lanfranco and decorated by the sculptor Willigelmo, whose detailed carvings still decorate the facade today. Built to honor Saint Geminianus, the city's patron saint, the cathedral quickly became both a religious and cultural centerpiece for Modena. Inside, the atmosphere is calm and reflective, with crypts and artworks that date back centuries. Even if you're not particularly interested in religion, the cathedral has a way of drawing you in through its craftsmanship and sense of history. Ghirlandina Tower began construction in the 12th century and was completed over several generations, which explains its mix of architectural styles. Originally built as the bell tower of the cathedral, it also served as a symbol of civic pride and independence. Over time, it became an important structure not just for religious purposes, but also for signaling key events in the city. Palazzo Comunale is not just one building, but a collection of structures that were gradually connected over centuries to serve as the city's administrative center. Located in Piazza Grande, it has been at the core of Modena's political life since medieval times. Decisions that shaped the city were made here, and it remains an important symbol of local governance. Inside, the building holds several fascinating rooms, including the historic Sala del Fuoco, known for its decorative frescoes. One particularly curious object kept here is a wooden bucket linked to a medieval rivalry, which has become part of local legend. Despite its long history, the palace is still used as the city hall today, blending everyday administration with centuries of tradition. Pietra Ringadora is a simple stone with a surprisingly significant past. In medieval times, it served as a platform where officials would stand to address the public, announce laws, or speak during important gatherings in Piazza Grande. It represents a time when communication between authorities and citizens happened face-to-face in public spaces. There's also a darker side to its history. The stone was sometimes used for public punishments, where offenders were displayed as a warning to others. This might sound harsh today, but it reflects how justice was carried out in medieval cities. Now, the Pietra Ringadora is more of a historical curiosity, easy to miss, but meaningful once you know its story.